What is up? It is your boy Chris Colgan, the world's worst sneaker reviewer. Today I am reviewing the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows. Cue my intro. What is up, YouTube and Instagram? It is your boy Chris Colgan, and today I am reviewing the Travis Scott Fragment X Jordan, X Nike, X Dunk lows collab. You know what? I stayed away from these things for the longest time because there were more fakes than a Kardashian ass out there. I'm telling you. When these things first started coming out, all of a sudden there was samples around. There was this, there was that. And there was just like so many fakes out there. I've been burned on fakes myself, like who hasn't? But I knew right from the get-go, and everyone started saying they had samples of these, and they only make like a few samples, Nike and all that. And I'm like, they're not gonna just let all these shoes walk out the front door. And all these fakes started coming about, and I'll show you some stuff how you can tell. That is really why I stayed away. It took me so long to get a pair. I did get a pair from my boy Leak Sneak. Shout out to him. He really dove deep into these to make sure they were 100% authentic. They are dropping August 13th. I don't think they put a price out there yet. My guess would be like 200 bucks. Obviously, as you know, these are gonna be extremely hard to get. They do have a special box that's gonna have a sleeve on them. I don't have a box pair. I don't think any box pairs have even leaked out yet. Same with the highs. They're apparently gonna be making a lot more of these lows than the high ones. I really like these low ones 10 times better than the high ones. I actually am a Jordan 1 low person. But let's just get right into the review. So, what do I think about these? I'm actually feeling these things. The quality on these, which I usually don't give a shit about quality and all that, is pretty crazy. How you can tell there were so many fakes is like right off the bat. On the back here, we'll show you on the camera, the Cactus Jack logo and the Fragment logos were just like screen printed on. They weren't like nice quality. This right here was screen printed on. You could just tell right away from like a lot of the photos. A bunch of fake ass posers were out there having them. And then the Fragment, I don't know what the hell this says. I don't even know enough about this stuff. The Fragment stuff here was like going sideways, like down the shoe. So that's how you could really tell right away if the pair was fake. There was just like so many fake pairs, like I said. I don't know, man, like these, like the quality on these, like me, even Bobby, like I always joke, I'm like, Bobby, who doesn't, I like to look at that type of stuff. Like Bobby does not really like sneakers. He's not really into them. The motherfucker's worn the same pair of like Skechers since I've seen him, since I've known him like 6 months. But anyways, he was even like, dude, these things are nice quality. The quality on these is like super crazy. Even the damn laces quality is super nice. You can tell, like, it's like sticking out of here. So the quality on them is crazy. Like, I love the Travis Scott backwards swoosh and all that. I mean, everything about them is pretty sick. I am just gonna give these an A minus. I don't even know what the hell could have given them an A plus. I mean, other than that, these bad boys are fire. Like I said, August 13th. Not much, honestly. Like, what do I say here for 10? I'm not gonna stretch this damn video out for 15 minutes like these other YouTubers and bore you to death. If you are lucky enough to actually hit on Sneakers app, if it was me, I would buy the things and just resell them and make a shit ton of money, because we all know aftermarket on these are gonna be $1,500, I bet. $1,500 to $2,000, somewhere around there. The highs are gonna be even more. I mean, these things are gonna be hot. And like the only thing is that right now, I feel like Off-White is just saturating the shit out of the market with all their different, the guy's putting out 50 damn colorways of one shoe. I mean, he's throwing darts at this point. I don't even know what's up with that. So again, we're giving you some shots of these bad boys. Bobby's just got his camera, you know, and I just sit back and like eat and chill out while he does all that. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. You know how I do it. I don't sit here and bore you with a bunch of facts. I don't sit here and hold the damn shoe up like a damn sneaker phone, like, you know, and then go around and get my ass handed to me if I did that and clown out by a bunch of girls. So follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. As always, I will say, again, real quick, A minus. You get these, you know what, you get these, you wear them to the club, you're probably gonna be the shit. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't, would you imagine if somebody stepped on these bitches right here? You imagine that? Look at that, you stab them. You stab them, you go to jail. It's not worth it. Just sell the damn things, be done with it, and move on with your life, I'm telling you. I don't even know why the hell I have them. So, all right, y'all, I'm out of here. Bobby, cut this shit, I'm done.